Hi everyone, welcome to my list smasher review video. This is Khadi from Khadi's Digital Marketing. So we're going to review list smasher. This is a plugin that would allow you to create a list, an email list, and also you will be able to send the people that you have, the leads that you have already gathered, so that you can just promote your offers to them. So normally you will need two tools to do that, but list smasher is 2-in-1 solution, and which doesn't even require you to pay a monthly payment. It's just a once-off payment. So that's what it's all about. So if you feel like this is something that you're interested in and you want to find out more about it, please stick with me throughout my entire video, so that we can just understand and check what list smasher is all about. But for now, let's just get to it and find out more about list smasher. So we're now in the sales page. As I've said, it says list smasher is a powerful 2-in-1 solution. It enables a complete newbie, a beginner, to build and engage high converting list. We all know that an email list is king, and there's money in the email list. So that is what list smasher is all about. I also want to go through the benefits of what are you going to gain when you use this product. So it's a one-click list building solution, done for you, list builders included. So you get thousands of leads, no hard work. You will be able to send unlimited emails to different subscribers and enjoy unlimited subscribers, and import any list you have, limitless options, and multiple templates. There's 0 monthly fees. As I've said, you only pay a one-time fee. It's a totally beginner friendly tool, and you don't have to have any technical skills to use this. And another thing that is interesting, there's no loss from your side. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. You can use it for 30 days, and if you feel like you want to return it, you're not satisfied with the product, you can just request for your payment. So I just want us to check the video just to find out more what it's all about. Let's just go through it together, guys.
It's Trevor here to tell you something for real. You've heard it before, but you're going to hear it again because it's fact. The money is in the list. It's a cliche, right? I'm not the first person to tell you, and I won't be the last. But have you done anything about it? Do you have a list? A list that generates cash every time you mail it? I do. Look at this. $1,248 today, over $40,000 in the last 30 days. Am I showing off? No. Are the figures real? Yes. Did I make them from my list? Yes. Well, 95% of it came from my list. A little bit came from YouTube. So, don't you like a list that converts into figures like these, right? Well, do I have something for you? How would you like to get access to a powerful email marketing solution that allows you to build an email list and send unlimited emails to as many subscribers as you want? And all that for a small one-time payment. You're probably fully aware that this kind of stuff is usually billed monthly, and when we're starting out, we need to keep costs low. So how good would it be if I told you I had some secret sauce software that would not only build your list for you, but you could add as many subscribers as you wanted for no extra cost? So good, Trevor, I hear you say. Introducing List Smasher. List Smasher is a powerful email marketing solution that will allow you to build an email list fast and quickly, but more than that, send unlimited emails to as many subscribers as you want and start to make money from them. In just 1 month, I made over $10,000 in affiliate commissions by mailing my list. I bet you'd be happy with that, or even a bit less. Well, with List Smasher, you'll be able to get hundreds, even thousands of email leads on complete autopilot by using done-for-you list builders. Send unlimited emails to as many subscribers as you want with 1 click. Import any list you have and start sending emails to them right away. Turn any website into a lead generation machine. Run unlimited promotional campaigns and reach the masses. Make huge profits with email marketing. Sound good? I thought it might. So if you're tired of highly expensive monthly fees from autoresponders, tired of your emails hitting the spam box, and tired of making no money from email marketing, List Smasher is your solution. And to make this even easier for you, we're taking away any risk by offering you a full 30 days money-back guarantee. But you need to act fast. This price will not remain this low for long. Click the buy button now to take advantage of this one-time low fee before we switch to monthly. It's time for you to start building your list. It's time for you to start making some serious money. Grab List Smasher now.
We are now in my bonus page, so I'll take you through the bonuses that I have to offer. But firstly, I just need to make a note that the bonuses will expire if it hits the timer hits 00. The bonuses won't be available anymore. So I suggest if you are interested in the product, you want to take it up, so you can just select in the description link so that you can just take up the product. It will just take you to the sales page. So the first bonus is affiliate marketing for beginners. This is an ebook that I've created for you guys, that I've written so that you can just know and understand what affiliate marketing is all about. The second one, which will complement List Smasher, as it is all about building an email list. So this tutorial will help you on how you can build an email list the easy way. This next bonus is another interesting email list bonus. So it will also give you hacks on how to go about building a list and how you will send the relevant information to your subscribers. So these are the two bonuses that I have that will complement list builder. So if you feel like this is something that you are interested in, I suggest that you click in one of the red buttons. You click here in one of the blue buttons to take up the offer and take the bonuses. And when you do that, if you click on the link, it will take you to this sales page over here. And when you get to the sales page, you should be able to select one of the action buttons. It should be somewhere. Let's just click for it. So you'll get to the sales page. You should click the get access now. And once you select get access now button, then you will be able to take up the product. So that is our List Smasher, guys. In terms of the price as to how much will this cost, let's just go and check how much will this cost you. So this is how much it will cost you. So in terms of the front end, that is you will get the training and also the tool. This is $12.95, and you can also get traffic add-on. This is the add-on that you can add to your website that will help you to gain more subscribers. And the next one is email hijacker, that will help you to promote to get a list for any niche. It doesn't matter which niche you are promoting. And also the agency license, that you get the license rights to sell the product as your own and get 100% commission. So these are the OTOs, guys. But what is interesting is for 2-in-1, the front end is $12.95. That's a steal, guys, right? So but I will suggest that you get the $27 one, the traffic add-on, which goes for like $17. So there are no limitations there, but it's not a bad price. So for me, I think it is worthwhile, because normally you will be required to have two tools, like your autoresponder and so that you can just get the email list there. But this one is a 2-in-1. You will be able to get subscribers and other interesting element to this product. as it said in the video. So guys, this is my list measure review. So if you feel like this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to click on the description link so that you can take up the product. But for now, thanks for watching my video, and cheers guys.